So, what exactly is a registered agent? Simply put, it's a person or company designated to receive important legal documents for your business. Think of them as the middleman between your business and the legal system. In Texas, every business, whether local or out of state, must appoint a registered agent as outlined in the Texas Business Organization Code. Now, let's talk specifics. The registered agent must have a physical address in Texas, where they can be reached during regular business hours. If you have a P.O. box that you are using, unfortunately, the state won't accept this unless it's tied to a commercial mail service that's also a registered agent. This ensures a reliable place to send legal documents and official notices. When you set up a business in Texas, you'll need to list your registered agent in your formation documents. This step isn't just for new businesses. Companies from outside Texas need to do this too if they want to operate in the state. And if you ever find yourself in legal trouble, a court might require you to appoint a registered agent. Having a registered agent also offers some handy benefits. For instance, if you run a home-based business, it keeps your personal address off public records, which is great for privacy. Plus, it ensures you won't miss any critical legal notices that could spell trouble for your business. So, who can be a registered agent? Any Texas resident or an authorized business with a physical office address in the state can fill this role. However, the business itself or a government agency can't act as its own registered agent. If you can't meet these requirements internally, there are plenty of service companies that offer registered agent services. These companies ensure you stay compliant and offer additional privacy. Just make sure you choose a reliable service that meets Texas's legal standards. Since 2010, Texas law has required that any appointed registered agent must consent to this role. This means they must agree to handle important legal documents for your business. Failing to get this consent or not keeping a registered agent can lead to serious issues, including fines or even the closure of your business. If you ever need to change your registered agent, make sure you do it right. Find a new agent who agrees to take on the role, then fill out the required form and send it to the Secretary of State with a $15 check. For nonprofits, it's just $5. This small step is crucial for keeping your business in good standing. Remember, having a registered agent isn't just a legal requirement. It's a cornerstone of your business's success. They ensure you never miss important legal documents and state notices. So, choose your registered agent carefully and keep their information up to date to avoid potential issues. If you're looking for the best registered agent service, check out legalregistration.com. They're professionals and will help you stay compliant, or call 877-955-7111 for more information.